So hi guys, yeah, the guys are set. So he's about starting the engine. See the local way. You know, normally if it were with this in hand, see that's how it is. They started it. So he's going to connect the this thing. Okay, can you see how it goes? Okay, now, so this. So guys, can you see this hooked one? So they are putting it here. I like you to see the way they do it. So remember we had the water. So normally that is how it is. So they will keep putting it one by one. So this is the basin that they have, the container, so that it will, whatever is being grounded will come up from here. So you can see all the guys. Yes. Everybody here is set to work. So this is that water, that hot water we had, you know. So they'll keep adding to it so that remember I told us, okay? I stop. Okay, so now guys, that particular engine is filled. So they've covered it. Let us see what will come out of it. Can you see? So we're still watching. Okay guys, I like you to watch the process. Remember, this is not the real oil, it's a process. So gradually, you know, gradually, because they are grinding this. After, at the end of it, we will have all of this shaft. This shaft, you can use it, you know, to even while you are cooking it, it will support burning. So this, remember, this is what we have, and in this machine it comes out like this. Now after this one, it is in mom. When we finish with this, we will bring it. We have other machines here. We will put it here, or we have other ones here. You know, we put it in this one or in this one. In this one. Then imagine everything wrong Ayop. And after that, we will take it to this one. So guys, let us watch one after the other to see. Thank you. Hi guys. So this particular one is done with grounding. So can you see? Can you see? Can you see? We had this, and it went into this machine, and we have this. So guys, that is how it is. So they put in another set, you know. They are putting in another set now. So that's how the process continues till they will finish grinding all of this. Now guys, let us watch and see the next thing that will happen. So now you see, they are scooping it out so that they can go into this other machine. Guys, watch out, let us see how it goes. That's how they do it. So, but before now, guys, the way they used to do it before these machines were employed, you know. Okay, so they will put it in this other one. So they will bring the grounded one and put it here. So that's what they will do to all the cooked palm fruit. So guys, watch out.